Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about my FR video lectures. I have given different option to the student to purchase our FR video lectures. So look at this table carefully and I am going to explain what will you get with different products. So at present we have in case of FR 4 options. One is you can purchase 1.2 view with only ebook. The second is you can buy 1.2 view plus book. Third is you can buy 2 views plus books. And the fourth option is you can purchase revision product. Now, what is the difference between these products? In case if you buy 1.2 view and ebook only, then you can purchase in cloud download mode. The price is very low. In these difficult times, people have limited money, limited resources to spend, so they can purchase this the lowest price 6,000 rupees and it covers the entire syllabus. That means content wise there is no difference between whether you buy for this 2 view 15,000 or 6,000. Content is same study material will be provided, same syllabus will be covered, not even 1 minute difference. Okay. And if you buy 1.2 view with books, you will have to pay 12,000 and 2 views with book will be 15,000 for cloud, and revision product you can buy for 7,000 rupees. In case of revision product, the entire syllabus is covered, but the number of numerical questions that we solve is reduced. The number of practical questions that we solve is reduced, but the concept will be fully covered. So those who want to revise in less time, they can buy this product, or you can buy in pen drive mode also. This is Google Drive, this is pen drive, where we will upload all the lectures in pen drive and we'll provide it to you. So in case if you don't have good internet connection or you don't want to download on your own, you can go for a pen drive version. The prices will be 1.2 view, 7,000 rupees ebook only, 13,000 rupees 1.2 view with physical books will be delivered to you, and 2 view and book 17,000, and in case of revision 8,000 rupees. Now look at the validity. This is the lowest priced product. The validity will be 9 months with ebook, but in other cases the validity will be 1 year. For the revision product, the validity would be 6 months. Will you get the hard copy of the books? So this first option where it is an ebook option, physical books will not be provided to you. However, those who wish to buy physical books, they can buy written below at 2,500 rupees, where you will get colored notes plus you will get the summary chart also. Okay, and in future we will also provide any update if required. But in case of other 3 options, physical books will be provided to you. It will be delivered to your doorstep using our DTDC courier services. Will you get the e-books? So right now, because of the courier restriction, traveling restriction, you will be provided e-books with all the options that you buy, but that is only for such period that the lockdown restriction is fully removed. Okay, so till you get the delivery of physical book in the last 3 option, we will also allow you to have e-book option. It might take 7 days, 15 days to reach the courier to you, depending upon your location, your pin code. So you can start immediately with the ebook. Ebook is the same as physical book, but ebooks, to remind you, is not downloadable. You can only view it on your computer or mobile. Number of books provided will be 3 books. Same 3 books will be provided in all the regular course, and in case of revision, you will get 1 note on Ind AS and 1 practice booklet you will get, so that you can practice questions on your own. The duration for regular is 320 hours. Imagine, probably one of the highest in the country, because we have covered everything in detail. For revision, the number of hours are 85. The teaching language is English. Okay, so more than 99% would be English, just at maybe 1 or 2 lines can come in Hindi, but otherwise the teaching language for all the options right now is English. So accordingly you can buy how your doubts will be solved. You can send us WhatsApp and you can call in the office during office hours, or you can email your queries. The details will be provided in the study material on which number you have to call or WhatsApp or email. Okay, so that facility is available under all the options. Whether you buy revision product or ebook or 2 views product, I will give you reply to all your queries. Normally, if you are asking the question, then better you mention the page number of the book, the question number of the book, the Ind AS number, and a photo of that question. If you send me the photo also of the question and the answer, so wherever I am, I can immediately reply to that question. Or if you don't send me the photo of the question answer, then I have to first sit with the book, and if I am traveling or if the book is not available with me, it may take 1 or 2 days to reply to your queries. So I will always request that you send the photo of the question and answer also, along with a receipt of your admission, along with the invoice of your admission, so that the priority will be given first to those who have a invoice with them. Okay, so these are the options available to you. The lectures are covered in detail, especially topics like holding company, where we have covered many questions, including the latest question on cross holding, etc. Many institute answers which were wrong, we have rectified them in our lecture. A long discussion on financial instrument is there, business combination is there, Ind AS 12 is there, Ind AS 16. These are some of the lengthy and difficult topics which have been covered in detail. Questions have been covered from ICI study material, no doubt, your RTP, suggested answer, model test paper, and international books also. Like IFRS exams we have covered, Wiley publications we have covered, okay, Snow White publications we have covered, some renowned authors like Dolphy D'Souza book, we have taken questions from them. So this is a comprehensive package on financial reporting. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel AS Foundation. We will come out with more and more products and benefits to you. Thank you.